decode string. We'll be given string as in this form and we have to decode it into this string in this form. So how can we do that is we have to multiply the string inside these brackets with the number that precedes it. So in this example we have to multiply a by 3, which will be 3 times a, and bc by 2, which will be 2 times bc. But sometimes, this was very simple example, but sometimes the string the brackets can be nested form. So what we have to do is start from the inner brackets. In this example we will start from c. This c precedes with 2, so we'll multiply c by 2, which will be cc, and there's a in this bracket as well, this bracket, so we'll write it over here, and this whole bracket precedes by 3, so we'll multiply acc by 3, which will result into acc, as you can see here. We can solve this question using stack. Let's initialize stack first, and we will also initialize two variables, current num to 0 and current string to an empty string. These two variables will store the current number we have and the current string we have, and we will also use for loop to traverse through the string as. Now we can have four cases. Either we can encounter a digit, or we can encounter an open bracket, a closed bracket, or just a character, and we will handle each of these cases separately in an if-else conditions. So if the character is digit, if it's digit, in that case what we have to do is update the current num. We can do that using current num equal to, just change the place value of the previous number in current num and add the integer c, and we can do that using current num multiplied by 10 plus integer c. And the other condition is c is equal to an open bracket. In that case we just have to append the current num we have and the current string we have to the stack. Stack dot append current num. Stack dot append current string. Now also after updating appending it to the stack, we have to update current num and current string. Current num will be 0 and current string we will update it to empty string. It's because we have already appended it to the stack and we will use it later on, and since we are already using it and have appended it to the stack, we have to update the current string and current num for the new values of current num and current string we will encounter and calculate. Now if c is equal to a closed bracket, in that case what we will do is update the current string, and how we can do that is we will pop the current num and current string we had just appended to the stack over here. So we appended current string and we will pop it here, stack.pop, and previous num will pop that as well. Now we can update a current string using current string is equal to previous string, whatever the string was in the stack, plus the previous number we had in the stack into current string. And if it's a character, if the c is a character like a letter, in that case we will just update the current string by adding each character to the current string, and we can just return it and hopefully it will run. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you in the next one.